For over 100 years, Northeast has been 100% focused on a wellness model of healthcare that's whole body, taking the entire person into consideration.
Here at Northeast College, we have a spectacular science program. We like our students to learn from experiences because we know if we challenge them in the classroom, they're going to thrive in their career.
The main reason why I chose Northeast is because it is a more evidence-based college. They focus on the data and they'll give you the science and the understanding as to why each and every treatment works.
I chose Northeast because I do really love the New York area, but the thing that drew me in was the fact that we were a very science-based school. We very much focus on the research. As a doctor, I want to be able to give that to my patients so that way they can know themselves and do their own research.
Northeast College has the best technology available, the anatomage tables, where students can see all the systems of the body and every single muscle from origin to insertion.
In the FAST lab, we are able to use mannequins and force plates to measure forces that are being put into the bodies when we apply different types of therapies.
They're learning in our cadaver lab, so they're learning with real human bodies.
After I did my full year of cadaver, I feel like I have x-ray vision. So it's such a beautiful way of giving you that understanding of anatomy.
The need for healthcare is growing, and one of the reasons I enjoy teaching so much is that I see students that are about to embark on fulfilling careers of service to their patients and their community.
It's exhilarating to know what your students will do with the tools you provide for them and to see how many people they help.
I felt welcomed from the moment I started applying. Everyone's super kind to each other. You actually get to know your profs.
Sometimes you get close enough with the doc, they'll even take you to their practice and just be like, hey, this is what I do. Come shadow me. And you could go and just hang out with them.
We already have thousands of alumni that are eager to serve as your future employers.
We offer 7 programs here at Northeast, and 92% of our graduates have a job upon graduating. I would encourage you to come to Northeast and turn your passion into practice.